Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. So basically, we've got our 125D sitting out the front. The Sunstrip, which says Tiny Rick. The car is themed Tiny Rick, which my name is Ricardo. Tiny Rick from Rick and Morty is the whole theme of the car. Now, looking at it, we've got the standard lights, which we don't like. We will eventually be changing those to a LED xenon lights or something like along those lines, because they will just look a lot better. At the front of the car, we have the standard wheels that the car came with, which we don't really like those. They're only on there because the gloss black that we did have, basically we ran over a couple of birds. But yeah, in there, as you can see, there's still remainders of the bird, but we've got the red bars wrapped, which I'm going to be commenting on another video because they are going to be changed again. Fog lights, they need to be tinted. Moving round, we've got the mirrors, which we've done actually earlier. We're filming this after we've done the sequential mirrors. So the mirrors have been done. There is a few scratches and swirls on the bonnet, which we need to get rid of, but we need to buy a polishing machine. Once we've got the polishing machine done, we will go over the car once again. But you can see, I mean, that is very good work. You can see around the back, hopefully on the camera it will catch that the reflections off the black bits are on there as well. Let's see, we can actually see all the paintwork as actually quite well. But yeah, this is a 125D. It has currently got 218 horsepower. It's got 450 newton meters of torque. So for a diesel, it's pretty good. It does 0 to 60 in about 6 seconds, claimed by BMW. We haven't done any modifications such as air cooling. We haven't done anything to the turbo. We haven't done any remaps. We haven't done anything like that. So the car is completely standard apart from its looks. So for a standard car, for a diesel, for a, for a day-to-day runner, I'm very happy with the car. Obviously there will be modifications here and there that we are going to do, that we will keep you updated. But yeah, we will move on to the videos. So guys, we've done the passenger side turn signal, which is here. You can see that it is very, very dirty. Look, you can see all that build up from the last 6 years since this was last put in. But to be fair to BMW, the very middle, which is what you would see, to be fair, you can't really see any dirt inside it. So yeah, props to BMW for that one actually. So to do the sequentials, we're going to need that and that. We're also going to need a T10, which is already on there, so that is ready. We're also going to need our LED turn signal, which is right here. Awesome, that is ready as well. We've got the mirror, which is there. So first of all, what we're going to do, we're going to use these three to take off the mirror. Now this one's going to be a bit difficult to get off. I'll explain to you why it's going to be difficult to get off. Because I've actually stuck another one on top. As you can see, look, it's already starting to crack and do its other bits. There we go, that's one clip. There should be another somewhere. There we go, and that's that done. Right. There we go. Don't be scared to use a bit of force. Like I said, these things can break, so be aware. As you can see, look here, this is where the crack was, this is where the other crack was, and this has literally just happened now. On the one underneath, as you can see, it was exactly the same thing. I brought a cheap mirror and you had a crack down there, and then it started doing this again, which is why I then stuck one on top. But we'll ignore that. For now, we've got black on the right, brown on the left. There we go. Like I said, you need to use a bit of force sometimes. Should just usually straight on. There we go. Now that that is off, our next step is to get the mirror cover off. Look, we've got, hopefully you guys can see, now you got one clip, you got two clips, and right in there, right at the top, you've got your third clip. What I will use is a different tool. I had one earlier, which is actually on the floor, I believe. Let me have a look. Yeah, it's on the floor. Forgot about it. Ta-da. Right, so you will just push that clip inwards. Hold on, let's do that one first. There we go, that one's out of its place. They're out of its place as well. There we go, that one's not letting me push that off. There we go, that's off. That one's off. And again, what you might need is a bit of a pipe hole for this pot. So what you're going to do, you're going to push the cover off like that. You'll notice that one there is still in its place. Apply tool for this bit. Just go around and clip it. Just go around and clip, and clip, and do the same again. Make sure that we've got everything off, that we're not going to break anything as we're doing this. There we go. And off it comes, just like that. Notice the 3 clips that we've undone, none of them are broken. That's all good. So now, our next step is to put your pry tools down. You're going to need a T10. They're all T10 screws, so it doesn't matter where you put them back. Do that. Third, get the 4th one. Just hold on the bottom cover of your mirror. So you will notice that this bottom cover will become loose as soon as you do that. Right, so get this one off. Right, let me put these screws in a safe place. But now, this should just wiggle off. All you want to be doing is just lifting. Right, once you got your turn signal, notice it clips in like there. So what you're going to do, you're going to have to pull it out. There we go. You didn't even need a second pair of hands. Right, now that that is out, next step you'll see is our turn signal. Our turn signal we've already checked. It matches exactly the other one, but just to make sure, once again, turn it round. There we go. It actually goes that way. But yeah, looks exactly the same. And right, we'll just pop them back onto the car. What you will do is you're going to have to slide this bit in first. This bit just slides in like that. Right, notice you've got 2 little clips there. Those 2 clips go one above, one underneath that bit. So as long as you've done that and you slide it across like that, make sure that the bottom is all fitted correctly. Once that is done, what you're going to have to do, there we go, and use a little bit of pressure, get this into the correct position, because the last thing you want is any gaps underneath the bottom or the sides or anything like that. Again, this hasn't been fitted well. There we go. Hey, there we go. We hear that little clip. That was good. And now, if we look at it, it should all now fit into place properly. So if we turn on the signals, turn our hazard lights on. That one works. That one also works. Perfect. We know that we had already tested it, but once it's in place, you also want to double check it, make sure that it's working as it should. So turn that off again, get your T10s, get your screws, and that's your next step. So get the back one in, make sure that goes in properly. Yeah, all good. Right, so next will be front T10 again in there. Make sure nothing comes out of place. Always check as you're going along. I've done the middle one. Right, and you can, I could just see that moving back in as I was screwing in. So that's good. I haven't felt any odd pressure I shouldn't have felt. Excuse my mum laughing in the background, but put that one in. Oh, it's not going in. Right, there we go. Screw that in. Look over the side, make sure everything is okay. Don't over tighten it because it's plastic, you don't want to break the plastic. Right, so we've now done 2 on the bottom, 1 on the back. Right, there's a third one here on the bottom. Right, screw that one in. Yeah, that's going in perfectly well. Make sure around here it's all correct. Anyway, let's put the 2 in. Alright, sorted. Now that's done. Oh, lost my T10. All good. That's all in place. Nothing is loose. All perfect. We will pop the covers on first before we pop on the mirror. Right, covers just pop back into place like that. All you have to do is apply a little bit of pressure, feel the clips going back in. There we go, there's 1 clip, there's 2 clips. 1 more clip somewhere. There we go, here. Right, fitment, yeah, all good. Right, no water can get in there, that's good. That's all perfect. Now, test it once again, once you've got everything together. Yeah, that one works, perfect. That's exactly what we wanted. So our brand new one, we've got the 2 clips. We've got all the other clips that fit around the side, perfect. This is what we want. I should probably turn my signals off before doing this, because we are dealing with electronics. Oh, sorry guys, bumped the camera. Right, turn the electronics off. So now, we'll just plug those back in. There we go, there's one. Plug the second one. To put this back in, make sure the wires go around the side. Put this in there, and you're going to flatten your hand out across the mirror just like that. You're going to put pressure to it until, there we go, you had that clip. That is basically it. Thanks for tuning in today. We have done our mirrors. If you've got any more questions about how to change your sequentials, how to change your covers, any questions you have, we will try to answer them in the videos. Yeah, thank you for staying tuned, and peace out, stay safe throughout this lockdown, and I will see you in the next video.